Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I am sharing with you how to make a delicious plantain porridge. I'm using unripe plantains. I'll wash and peel the plantains and cut the plantains into small pieces. And set that aside. I'll be using chicken gizzards. The gizzards are washed already. You can use any protein of your choice for this recipe. I'll transfer the gizzards inside the pot. Add garlic, onions, bay leaves, dried pepper, salt, season powder, mix together. Add a little bit of water. Cover and cook until it's done. I'll be using bell peppers, habanero peppers, tomatoes, onions, garlic, ginger. I'll cut and transfer them inside the blender. Add a little bit of water. I'll cover the blender and blend. In a pot, I'll add red palm oil. When the oil is hot, I'll add sliced onions. Stir. I'll fry the onions for 3 to 5 minutes. Add the blended pepper mix. And stir. I'll cover and leave it to cook for 10 minutes. The gizzard is been cooking now for a while. I'll check, and at this point, the gizzard is ready. I'll remove it from the pot. And I'll transfer it inside air fryer. You can use it just the way it is, or you can fry it if you prefer. I'm using air fryer. I'll spray some oil on it. I'll air fry at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. After some time, I'll stir so they can air fry nicely, and it doesn't need to be too dry. 15 minutes later, the gizzard is ready. Can you see how beautiful this looks? I'll set that aside. To the pepper mix, I'll add seasoned powder, salt, and stir. Add the cut plantains, gizzards, blended crayfish, and enough water to cook the plantain porridge. I'll stir. I'll add dried fish for more flavor and stir. I'll cover and cook for 25 to 30 minutes until it's done. After 25 minutes, I'll stir. If you like yours very soupy, you can add more water. At this point, the plantain is soft enough. I'll be using vegetables. I'm using spinach. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Add the vegetables. I'll add sliced onions. Stir. Taste, adjust the season if needed. At this point, my kitchen smells fine. Once it's well stirred, it's ready. I'll take it off the heat, serve, and enjoy. And this plantain porridge was very, very delicious. Will you be giving it a try? Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.